Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 27th of September 2024. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Please note that the content does not represent our opinions and is just a reflection of news items in public media. Elon Musk's social media platform X, formerly known as Twitter, is in the spotlight for blocking users from posting links to a newsletter by journalist Klippenstein. The newsletter reportedly contains a hacked document with sensitive information about J.D. Vance, a vice presidential candidate. This move by X has sparked discussions about the platform's content moderation practices, especially since their policy on hacked materials has changed since Musk's acquisition. In another development, Elon Musk has publicly criticized the UK government for not inviting him to an international investment summit. His comments, made on X, were in response to his controversial social media activity during recent UK riots. Musk's absence from the summit is notable, given his previous participation in a UK AI summit. This situation highlights ongoing tensions between Musk and the UK government, particularly regarding free speech and social media policies. Cards Against Humanity has filed a lawsuit against SpaceX, seeking $15 million in damages for alleged trespassing and dumping on its property along the Texas-Mexico border. The board game company claims that SpaceX has altered their land without permission. This legal battle underscores the ongoing tensions between Musk's ventures and local communities. In a significant development in the Ukraine conflict, Starlink terminals were reportedly found on a downed Russian drone. While the authenticity of these claims is still under investigation, the presence of Starlink on a Russian drone raises concerns about the potential use of advanced communication capabilities by Russian forces. SpaceX has denied any business dealings with Russia, maintaining that Starlink is not operational there. Despite Elon Musk's stance as a free speech advocate, his platform X has shown increased compliance with government requests to remove or restrict content. A recent transparency report reveals that X acted on 71% of legal requests in the first half of 2024. This compliance rate has raised concerns among critics about the platform's commitment to free speech, despite Musk's vocal opposition to government censorship. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, links to all stories are available in the episode notes. Join us next time for more updates on Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Until then, stay informed and stay curious.